Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon. When you search on Google, you will often see a box called People Also Ask. This box contains a list of related questions that users frequently ask about the same topic. When you click on one of the questions, the box expands to show a short answer pulled from a web page along with the link to that source. For SEO professionals, appearing in these boxes can significantly increase visibility because the same website can appear multiple times in search results. But an important question is, how does Google decide when to show these questions and which ones to include? In this lesson, we'll explore how the people also ask future works and what factors influence it. The people also ask box is designed to help users explore a topic more deeply without performing multiple searches. Each question represents a related query that many users have searched before. When a user clicks on a question, the answer expands and additional related questions may appear underneath. This makes the feature dynamic, meaning it can grow as the user interacts with it. The goal is to help users navigate through common questions related to their search topic. Not every keyword triggers a people also box. This feature typically appears when the search engine detects that users are likely to have multiple related questions about the topic. For example, broad informational queries often trigger PAA boxes because users may want to explore subtopics. On the other hand, very specific queries or purely transactional searches may not show this feature because users' intent is already clear. In short, PAA boxes appear most often when users are likely to continue asking questions about the topic. The questions shown in the People Also Ask box are usually derived from real search behavior. Search engines analyze patterns in the queries people search and identify questions that frequently occur around the same topic. For example, if many users search for how SEO works, they may also search for related questions like how long SEO takes or how long SEO affects rankings. The search engine groups these questions together to help users explore the topic more efficiently. When a user clicks on a People Also Ask question, the search engine displays a short answer. And the short answer is extracted from a web page. The answer is usually a concise section of the text that directly addresses the question. Often, these answers come from paragraphs, lists, or clearly structured sections of content. Because of this, well structured content with clear headings and direct explanations tends to perform well for PAA placements. Now, why does this matter? For SEO professionals, appearing in PAA boxes can significantly increase visibility. A website might already rank on the first page of results, but if it also appears in the PAA answer, it gains another entry point into the search results. This means users may encounter the same website multiple times during their search journey. Because the feature focuses on questions, it also highlights the importance of answering common user questions within your content. To summarize, people also ask feature is designed to help users explore related questions about a topic. Search engines identify common question patterns and group them together and extract such short answers from relevant pages. For SEO professionals, understanding this feature can help shape content that addresses real user questions and informs and improves visibility across multiple parts of the search results. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.